Is it my turn? Um, cool. This is all work done by Elliot. He's taking a little bit of well-earned vacation, so he offered to let me demo it. Basically, so this is just a regular embed. I got a couple things under the hood I'm going to show you all as well. But the net new thing is when you click on these buttons, this is all happening in the same frame, in the same app without a reload. So you can see like the navigation's significantly faster than our previous approach, which was basically a recommendation to completely tear down the iframe and build it up again. Um, yeah, so that's real nice. This is what it looks like if you don't have permission to something. So the reason customers want this, notice like we still have all the navigation in the app. There's another feature Elliot added. I'm going to uncomment it here. It's basically this UI settings that lets you disable the UI navigation. So Elliot, I think, has demoed this, but using Concert here, it's just really nice. Like you can see why customers would want this. Plus, like the ability to theme the app, which we haven't done here, but you could see how it would allow them to style Omni to be basically mirror their internal stylings. So same kind of experience. And then the last thing I want to show, this is real kind of like under the hood, but this is also using this new two-step API mechanism that he's added. So first step is create a session token, and then second step is redeem that session token. And there are a number of reasons why we might want to recommend this approach to customers. Yeah, thumbs up, Apple. Um, One is using the one-shot API that's sort of been what we've had for the last year. That uses an HTTP GET method, and HTTP GET expects all of the parameters to arrive in the URL. So as we, build out more and more of these embed settings, that URL will eventually hit some limit that various servers on the internet won't accept. And so um, this approach uses an HEV post method. So in theory, you can have an unlimited size. So that's kind of nice. Another reason could be like if customers have like very extreme security concerns, a general best practice is to use HE post to transmit, sensitive information because traditionally post bodies are not logged. And then the last one, and the one that I'm most excited about, is what this really allows you to do is minimize the amount of load and sort of like setup time that is required by Omni to initiate a user session. So a customer who has a large number of embed users, like probably on the order of tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands daily users, they could write a script that basically executes this part of the handshake on off hours. So they could do it like midnight, grab all these tokens and store them, probably in their own database, something like that. And then in the morning, when their user logs in, instead of generating that token in real time against Omni, they just fetch the token out of their database and redeem it. And so it's potentially really nice performance win if they implement that pattern. That's it.